Hello kids and welcome to my computer class. Today we're going to learn some technology terms using letters. Let's get started. The letter C stands for computer. Now you do not want to get your computer wet, otherwise it'll stop working. Next we have the letter M, which stands for motherboard. This is where all the components are connected together to make your computer work. Again, do not get your motherboard wet, otherwise it won't work. And now we come to RAM. RAM is the type of memory that helps your computer process data. And just like the other two, do not get your RAM wet, otherwise it won't work. And now we move on to H, which stands for hard drive. Again, you do not want to get these wet, but you also do not want to attach a magnet to it. The hard drive is where all your personal data is stored and also where your operating system and all your programs go. So remember, do not get your hard drive wet, otherwise it won't work. Moving along, we have S, which stands for solid state drive. This is like a hard drive, only a lot faster. Again, don't attach any magnets to it, and remember, do not get it wet, otherwise it won't work. Where do all your computer components go? Well, they go inside your computer. The I is for inside your computer. Now, your computer case can help prevent your computer from getting wet, but still, you do not want to get your computer wet, otherwise it won't work. D is for desktop. This is the type of computer that sits on top of your desk and has a lot of cables coming out of it, usually. Remember, you do not want to get your computer wet, your desktop wet, otherwise it won't work. Did you just spill water on top of your computer? Yes you did. Y is for yes. You got your computer wet and now it's not working. Is your computer working? We can say no. No starts with the letter N. Why? You got your computer wet and now your computer is not working. Is your computer running? Well, you can use the letter N to say no. My computer is not running. Why? Does your computer run? Well, you can say if I was to ask you if your computer does your computer run? Well, you can say well, come back later, kids, and together, T is for together, we can learn everything. E is for everything we need to know about computers. And just remember, do not get your computer wet, otherwise it will stop working. Now, N starts the word now. If you enjoyed my video, go ahead, like it, share it, leave a comment below. I will catch you next time. And remember, do not get your computer wet, otherwise it will stop working.